viewers, we have a question right here before us. We are asked to find the value of x if root 2 over x plus root 2 is equals to 1 over x minus root 2. Now this is a special case on Zod. So I got this question from JAM 2020 question 31. So let's start with that. Solution. Let me write this question back as root 2 over x plus root 2 is equals to 1 over x minus root 2. Now for us to solve this question, remember equation with fraction in mathematics. When you have something like this, what do you simply do first? You simply cross multiply. So if I cross multiply here, I'm going to have root 2 multiplying x minus root 2 in a bracket, then is equals to 1 multiplying x plus root 2 in the other bracket. So the next thing for us to do here is to open this bracket by multiplying this with everything, then this with also everything inside this bracket. So root 2 times x will give x root 2. Root 2 times root 2 will give minus 2. Then is equals to 1 multiplied by the whole of the will give the same result here, x plus root 2. Remember, we are looking for the value of x, right? So we collect right hand here by bringing x together. So we are going to have an expression like this: x root 2 minus x is equals to root 2 plus 2. Are we together? So from there now, x is common to these guys here. So we factorize x bracket root 2 minus 1 is equals to root 2 plus 2. Now to make x to stand alone here, we divide both sides by what? By root 2 minus 1, root 2 minus 1, so that this guy will eliminate. So therefore, we are now left with x. Okay. So we are now left with x is equals to root 2 plus 2 all over root 2 minus 1. Now, we can't stop here because in the rule of Zod, you must avoid the square root at denominator side. So you have to go through rationalization by what? By conjugate here. We look for the conjugate of this one. It's just by changing the sign from here to what? To positive sign. So that's the conjugate of this one. So we multiply that conjugate by the numerator and also by the what? Denominator itself. So we are going to have something like this. Multiply by root 2 plus 1 over root 2 plus 1. So I can quote this in bracket, this also in bracket, everything here in bracket. So if I multiply out, of course, root 2 times root 2, that will give us 2. Root 2 times 1, that will give us plus root 2. Then 2 times root 2, that will give us plus 2 root 2. Then 2 times 1 will give us plus 2. Then all over, now the same thing here. Root 2 multiplied by root 2, that will give you 2. Root 2 multiplied by plus 1, that will give us plus root 2. Then minus 1 times root 2 will give minus root 2. Then lastly, minus 1 times 1 will give minus 1. So now I will erase this part because of my option. Because I need to select my option. I will erase this part here. Okay, so from what we have here now, we can conclude that our x now is equals to 2 plus 2, because you have to be together. You are not in the root. So you have to bring the one that is not in root together, then the one that is in root, they will be together too. So 2 plus 2 here will give 4. Look at. Then plus 1. This is the same thing as 1 root 2 plus 2 root 2. They are having the same root, so you can abide by the rules outside. 1 plus 2, that will give us plus 3. Then you take 1 root 2 all over. This is root 2 minus root 2 is 0. So we are left with 2 minus 1. So this is 2 minus 1. So therefore x is equals to 4 plus 3 root 2 over 1. And 4 plus 3 root 2 over 1 is something as x equals to 4 plus 3 root 2. So if you look at the option clearly, this is stating the correct answer. But it's just that this can be interchanged as what? X is equals to 3 root 2 plus 4. So which is our final answer, which is option A. Okay guys, this is what I have for you today. Please, if you enjoy my math class, please kindly hit this video a like and hit the subscribe button if it's your first time viewing this channel. And if you have any question, please kindly drop it in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next class. Bye for now.